In today's video, we're having a look at this Parkside 20V cordless tile machine, Model P AFR20LIA1. It was €40 and the battery and charger are not included. It has a 6-step vibration speed, between 3000 and 8000 RPM. The suction cup has a diameter of 125mm and a suction power of 35 kilograms. It was made by Grizzly Tools in China. On the back, the only useful information is that it's mainly suitable for smooth surfaces. As expected, inside the case we only find the bare tool. But there is enough space inside for the tool with a 4A battery, a second 4A battery, and a battery charger. Despite the battery looking huge on the machine, it is actually very well balanced. The tool with a 4A battery weighs around 2 kilograms. And around 1.3 kilograms for the bare tool. There is no bumper or vibration protection for the battery. It is actually quite snug with the body. I hope that won't be a problem in time for the circuits inside the batteries. The tool itself has a nice clean design and it sits well in the hand, both grips being covered in rubber. At first I thought that the lever for the suction cup is made out of plastic and so more prone to breaking. But it is actually painted metal, which is nice. What is not so nice is the release button. It is really awkward to operate with one hand. I'm also not so sure how to grip with the main hand. Under the lever there is not enough room, especially if you wear gloves, but if you hold it while squeezing the lever, the grip is not so nice. The vibrating part looks well built, with plenty of metal elements, and thick rubber for the suction cup. As you can see, it uses the infamous membrane buttons, with no mechanical trigger, but this seems to be the industry standard. I guess they last longer in contact with tile adhesive, but I still hate them. Surprisingly, it really grabs the surface of my workbench. I am not able to move it despite the surface being quite a porous laminated chipboard countertop. I'd better not keep doing that. It seems to have enough power to vibrate my workbench to pieces. I'll go grab some tiles to test it properly. First, I'll try it with this smooth tile with a glass-like finish. Practically the ideal conditions for this machine. guess even for this kind of tile, the top speed is a bit too much. Second is this tile that has a smooth finish but a wavy surface. Surprisingly, this proves to be a much bigger challenge than I expected. It kind of works if I apply enough pressure, but when laying tiles, you don't always want to push on them. Next, we'll use this non-slip tile that has a rough but flat surface. And to my surprise, it holds it better than the smooth wavy one. It can hold it quite well up to speed 3, a much better result than I expected. And the last test will be on this exterior tile that has both a rough finish and an uneven surface with raised areas. As expected, the suction cup has no chance of gripping the surface. This is definitely not the kind of tile you want to use this machine for.